Hello, friends. Today, I wish to share some of the healing experience which occurred in this lockdown period or in this situation where we cannot meet a person. So, the healing is a alignment of body, mind, and soul. Even we can give distant healing to a person in any part of the world, even to Mars. So, first of all, I would like to offer my gratitude to my Guru. Say, I am using the word singular. N numbers of Gurus are there. So, I learned healing from more than one Guru. I offer my gratitude to all my Gurus who has initiated me for learning healing. So, because of their blessings, I was able to send that energy to different people, and that energy has made wonderful miracles in that person's. So I met a person in the social media. She was from North India only. So at that time when I met her, she was having a lot of depression and anxiety and all, and she was preparing for some exam. So she was given healing. After that, she was close to me. I mean to say, she was aware that I am her well wisher only. Then she started opening her mind and she discussed certain problems which she was suffering. She was having the fear of presenting the presentation or taking the classes. Though she was an IIT student, she was having assignment to take classes for others. So she was having the fear of taking the classes and also the fear and anxiety in the exam halls. So over the phone, she was taken into hypnosis as well as healing as well as Pratiprasav sadhana. So by giving healing and releasing her traumatic experience in her life, she could release her traumas and she felt very light after the session. And after that, she was able to take her classes with confidence and she did her exam with confidence. And another issue also happened in her life. She and her family was affected by COVID virus, whereas her father was a diabetic person. Also, he was having kidney stones and all. And she telephoned and told me that the doctors say that her father's condition is critical and there is no hope whether he will recover from the COVID. So I told her to nothing to worry about you and me to her and regarding her family. So I started the healing with the divine powers given by my Guru. After a week, she called me and texted me that her father and her family she also was recovered from the COVID virus. The results were negative. So, I am sharing this incident because our yogis, our Siddha Gurus, they are also doing a lot of silent works for the humanity, whereas we are not aware about it. Through my Guru, by the blessings of my Guru, I was aware that this type of natural disasters, flood, epidemics spreading were going to happen. So this was known to me in the year 2012. In the December 2012, 21st December, our Earth has ascended to the fourth dimension. At that time, we were taught to vibrate self in a higher manner. Certain meditations were practiced, initiations were given, and we together healed our Earth. And from getting the initiation from that, I also started healing for others and for the Mother Earth also. So, my intention was to point out that even a single person like me could do some healing or some changes in a person's energy level or in an organ. How much of works are our gurus doing in our society, sitting in a silent place? So, learning healing is a beneficial thing. At last, I also learned Mahatma Shambhala and Platinum healing from one of my master. So, after learning the Mahatma Shambhala attunement were given to lot of people whom I came to meet without asking any fees or any money. And they are practicing that Mahatma Shambhala and they are getting the beneficial results from that. Anyway, we have an energy body rather than our physical body. We have got a physical body, causal body, and an etheric body. Stula, Sushma, Karana, Shariras we have. So, when we get affected, even we have got chakras and nadis due to psychic attacks or certain entities or parasites, our chakras get disturbed or our aura or the network system, namely the nadis get affected. After a certain period, our cells, our chakras also get blocked. Chakras are just like a sunflower with petals. When they get affected, it affects its petals and its function is affected. So, through healing, we can cleanse our aura and chakras and even repair our chakras, and even each and every cells we can repair or give healing to our organs also. If a person learns a healing, he can do self-healing. After 21 days, when he practices and he becomes energy-wise stable, he can send energy to others, people who are sitting at any corner of the world. Just we need the person's name and the place and the age also. Anyway, This video is for making awareness and the benefits of healing and the possibilities of healing. So I don't wish to make it as an advertisement or my self-boasting or something like that. My intention is to just point out the possibilities of healing, so I shared my experience in this video. Thank you for watching my video. May the Divine bless you all. Stay home, stay safe. Try to increase your immune system, because we cannot run away from any bacteria or virus, because already they are in us. From our mouth to anus, crores and crores of viruses are there. So wherever we move around also have virus. But to get rid of from or to fight against the virus, we need the immune system. So we need to boost up our immune. For boosting or getting strengthened, healing also helps. Thank you for watching my video. Once again, may Divine bless you all. Thank you.